Hey guys, it's me again, and I'm back. Hopefully you guys remember me because I haven't been doing anything. And by that, I mean I haven't been posting at all, or been active at all again, and I'm sorry for that. But good news, school is almost over. And then I'll be able to post more and do more things, and I am excited. So today, just for my presents, I'm just gonna do a get ready with me and do like a natural look. And it's gonna be the most natural look you've ever seen. I'm gonna look almost exactly the same. Okay, I'm gonna start off with moisturizing my skin. So, we're gonna spray my face with this. Okay, now I'm gonna moisturize my face, and so this is the Garnier Skin Active Moisture Rescue. It's like a gel cream, and I don't think it's that great. I don't really feel like it's that great. I don't know if it's just me or what, but I'm still using it anyway because it's the only thing I have, and it's almost gone. Okay, so when I do a natural look, I don't really like to put foundation on my whole face. I just get concealer and put it on some spots that need to be brightened. So like some of these spots right here and like these spots. And then I'll take my like foundation brush and then just like do that, you know. I don't know what I'm talking about, so that's kind of awkward. And I'm just taking a little bit. It's not like it's a lot. So keep that in mind. Don't go crazy and don't go stupid with it because that's not how we doing it here. To be honest, I can't wait to do more creative looks in the summer because that'd be real cool because I'll have more time and I'll have more things to do with it. The only reason I'm doing a natural look today is because I do not have any time to do anything. So I was like, why not make a video of me like talking? You know? And my eyelids are like kind of stained because I did yellow yesterday. And I don't know how they kind of stained. That's the tea. If people actually watch this, I want to ask a question. Where do you get mineral powders? Like the ones that are colored? Like what are some good ones? Anywhere. I don't care where. Anywhere. I just want a good one so I could just like put it on my face for like these days. Because I used to have one, but I guess they don't sell it anymore. So I don't know. I never bought one since. So now, back to business. We are going to put on some powder. And I'm just going to be using this air spun loose powder to set it, you know, set the one product we put on our face so far. It's called suntan, so it gives me a little color, I think. I don't know, because that is almost all we're gonna be doing today. So now my face looks pretty decent. If you want to, you can fill in your eyebrows, but as you can see, I don't need to. And now, for the moment we all been waiting for, contour. I don't think we've been waiting for this moment, but I feel like it's really important. So that looks bad, but it's okay. I'm just gonna rub it on you because I I don't know what I'm doing. We're here for the process. We're here to learn. We're here to do the most while doing the least. And that doesn't make sense, but it's okay. Because that's how it be sometimes. What is the process? What does the process really mean? Well, it really means that it's a process and it takes a while for you to get where you're going. You dig? And I don't know what I'm doing still. I'm gonna just put blush, this random blush that I just found in my room, and I'm just gonna put a little bit, not too much, on my cheeks to get that glow, to get that blushing glow, to make it seem like I have emotions. I don't know why I'm saying what I'm saying or what I'm doing, but that's how it be. So now, since there's really nothing more to do, I'm just gonna do my eyelashes, gonna curl them, and put some mascara on. I hate mascara, in all honesty, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to put some on. Just for you 5 people that watch my videos. So I have been stuck at almost 130 subscribers, and I think that is mainly because I haven't been posting anything. But today is the day I am posting this. And today is the day that, I don't know, it's just, today's the day. Something's gonna happen, something big. Probably just like 27, 28, 29, 30. I just need 3 more subscribers to get to 30. Maybe today's that day that I'm gonna get those 3 lucky people. I never know. Look how long this is making my lashes. That's crazy. I have like no time left. Mascara never did wonders for me. The only reason I don't like mascara is because I don't like taking it off. I don't like touching my eyelashes or like rubbing them to get it off, or like the stuff coming off. I just use fake lashes and I just glue them on and then bam. That easy. So you have to curl. Now that that's done, we're gonna spray our face again because that's how we roll. And we're gonna fan our face again because that's how it be. And we're gonna add some highlighter because what is a look without highlighter, even if it's a natural look? Whoa, so shiny. Whoa, it looks so shiny on camera but not in my mirror. How ironic. Looking like a glazed donut. We all love that. Get that nose highlight, man. Now that that's done, nice and highlighted, I'm going to put on some lip gloss. And guess what? It's almost gone. Isn't that crazy? It's just some clear lip gloss and it's kind of broken. And also, please, if you made it this far, congratulations. And if you can, please tell me a good lip gloss, because this was a good lip gloss, but it was a gift lip gloss. So I don't know where to get this from ever again. So I need a good lip gloss. Nice. Now I'm officially out of lip gloss. So this is the look. Just all natural look. I'm not a natural, but this is the natural look. So it kind of looks like you don't have anything on, even though you do. Like, probably 5 pounds on your face. But you know what? It's okay, because nobody will know. Nobody can tell. Nobody will know. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this look, and I will try again harder next time to please everyone, because right now I ain't doing so good. So I hope you at least enjoyed this one video that I spared time to put out. And hit that like button because you like me, or not, because you probably don't, most likely. And subscribe if you haven't already, because I know by looking at my demographics, half of you have not subscribed. So please do it, because I swear I'm funny. I swear I will entertain you and light up your life just like everyone else has on the internet. So give me a shot. And if you do give me a shot, thanks. I appreciate you. I will try to not disappoint you, even though that's what I am. So I'll see you guys on the flip side. Thanks for watching. Bye.
And I promise that nobody's gonna love you like me.